In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reposition images or text blocks in a PDF using Acrobat Pro Web in Chrome. To get started, open your PDF in Acrobat Pro Web using the Chrome browser. Make sure the document is fully loaded before you begin editing so all visual elements appear correctly on the page. This is important because if the page is still rendering, it can be harder to select the exact object you want to move. Once your file is open, go to the Edit option. Selecting the Edit module helps isolate the editable content on the page, including image areas and text block layers. This makes it much easier to work with specific elements without accidentally interacting with the wrong part of the document. If you're editing a page with several objects close together, taking a moment here to let the editing tools activate can save time later. Next, click directly on the image element you want to move, or on the text block you want to reposition. When the item is selected properly, you should see its frame, outline, or bounding lines appear around it. These visible edges confirm that Acrobat has recognized the item as the active object. Try to click as precisely as possible, especially if the layout is dense or if the object is near other content. If the wrong item gets selected, simply click again on the correct one. After the element is selected, drag the outline to the new position where you want it to appear on the page. Move it carefully and place it according to your target layout. As you drag, pay attention to the surrounding spacing so the page remains clean, balanced, and easy to read. If you're moving a text block, make sure it still aligns well with nearby content. If you're repositioning an image, check that it doesn't overlap any important text or margins. Take your time during this step because even a small movement can affect the overall look of the page. It can also help to zoom in if you need more precise placement, especially for professional or presentation-ready documents. The goal is to make the layout look intentional and polished, and that's it. Once you've moved the selected image or text block into its new location, your PDF layout has been updated directly within Acrobat Pro Web. This is a simple but useful way to adjust page design quickly without rebuilding the document from scratch.